Taco Cat is here with today's factor. Today's factor is 3. 3 is today's factor. And, not gonna lie, 3 is a little trickier. Taco Cat is gonna let Mrs. Brown explain this one.
Thanks, Taco Cat. I think I got this, Taco Cat. Thanks. All right, so we are going to be doing a trick with our arrays to help us visualize what numbers times 3 are. And what I have here is an array for 3 times 4. You can see my 3 rows of 4. I'm going to kind of split my array into 2 sections, like that. So if I look at just the first section, that's 2 times 4. And I know what 2 times 4 is. 2 times 4 equals 8. The bottom section is really like 1 times 4. And I know that 1 times 4 equals 4. So if I take the top section and the bottom section and add them together, I get 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's try it again. I'm going to take this array for 3 times 6 and I'm going to split it into 2 easier multiplication sentences. I can take this big sentence and make it into 2 smaller sentences. So once again, I'm going to just divide this array into 2 smaller arrays. The first array, once again, is I have 2 rows of 6, and I know my doubles. 2 6s are 12. And then I have 1 row of 6. I know any number times 1 is itself. So that's 6. So the top part of my array is worth 12. The bottom part is 6. I'm just going to add them together and it's going to make 18. So 3 times 6 equals 18. So I hope you're starting to see a pattern to how we're solving this. This is going to be our last one we solve with arrays, and then we're going to see if we can try it a shortcut way. So I'm going to draw that line to divide my array into smaller arrays. I'm going to write the multiplication problem for the top part. I've got 2 times 8, and 8 plus 8 equals 16. And then I've got 1 times 8. 1 times a number is always that number. And then I've got to add 16 plus 8. I'm going to do this carefully because I see there's some regrouping. 6 plus 8 is 14, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3 times 8 equals 24. So let's see if we can think of it as a shortcut way. So if I'm solving 3 times 4, Mrs. Brown, you already did that. I know, this is just to show you the shortcut way. I'm going to take the number that's not 3. In this case, it's 4. And my reminder is double it, add 1 more. I'm going to say that again. Double it, add 1 more. If I double 4, I get 8. And 1 more 4 on top of that would be 12. Double it, add 1 more. I'm going to try it again with a different problem. Let's say I'm doing 3 times 7. I'll look at the number that's not 3. In this case, it's 7. Double it, add 1 more. 7 doubled, 7 plus 7 is 14, and 1 more 7 equals 21. And remember, these tricks are just one way to solve these multiplication problems. If I'm solving a multiplication problem and I don't remember what the trick is for 3, even though the trick for 3 is double it, add 1 more, I have other things I can do. I can draw an array to help me solve the problem. That's one way. I can write an addition sentence. I can write 3 4s and add them up. both of those will still give you the right answer. You will still get 12 as your answer. But sometimes some tricks are more efficient. So you can try whichever way works best for you to solve numbers times 3.
Wow, Taco Cat learned a lot about how to multiply numbers by 3. I can double the other number and add one more, or I can draw an array or an addition sentence, whichever way works the best for my brain. Thank you for joining Taco Cat and learning how to multiply numbers by 3.